Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing some dip powder nails with this kit that I got from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. This kit pretty much came with everything you can think of. It had the brush, the cuticle oil, two different file and a buffer, and then it had 5 different liquids to help apply your dip powder. It also came with these 6 colors. I really couldn't tell what was what when they were in the package, so I had to turn them upside down. But as you can see, it came with these wipes as well, extra brushes, a cuticle pusher, and a bag. So I really couldn't tell which one I wanted to go with, so I kept narrowing it down. I couldn't tell which one was more white, but now on camera I can see. So now that I see it on camera, I really should have went with the one on the right, but as I got going, I actually favored the one on the left. So you'll see me start with that one and finish with the other color. But I applied the primer first, and then I applied the base gel, and then I started to dip. So I started at the end of my nails and worked my way up, and it kind of helped build up an apex. I think 2 of my nails came out pretty flat, so I came in and added like a little layer in the middle to give it that strength. So that's pretty much it. Like, this was a super simple kit. The only thing I can say that I didn't like about it was that the jars were too small, because I do my own nails at home, so I'm gonna reuse my jars, and I would have preferred a bigger jar so I can do my long nails. But outside of that, the kit was pretty cool. I did on my thumbnail, for some weird reason, it kind of burned on my actual nail, not the skin but the nail, which was a little weird to me. But that was the only nail that I had an issue with. Everything else was like really smooth. So I will say I'll give this kit like an 8 out of 10, because the color was there, the quality was there. I just really wish the containers were larger. So I will leave a link to this in the description box. For anyone who's wondering, I also apply the activator 3 times on my nails before I file and buff everything, and I applied the cuticle oil that came with the kit. But y'all know my favorite oil is from Parker J's Hair Care, so I'll also leave a coupon code in the description box as well. But thank y'all for watching so much. I hope your families are safe with everything going on. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.